Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue with Roblox graphic card not compatible. So firstly, what you have to do is just simply download a particular DLL file which you will find in the description below. Let me show you how you can do that. So when you will open that link, you will be redirected to a page. Over there, just simply click download over here. Then the downloading process will start in a few seconds, which you can see over here. Then just simply choose a location and download the particular R. But I will not be doing it because I have already downloaded it. So just simply press save for you, but I will press cancel. Then just simply close the browser. Now, after the file is downloaded, just simply extract that file. Now in that file you will find a DLL, which is this one. So just simply copy this DLL file by right clicking on the file and then press copy. Now after doing that, just simply right click on the Roblox player over here. Then go to open file location. Now open SSL. Then just simply click paste and paste that DLL file over here. Then again, just simply go back and open the folder for shaders. And again paste it also over here. And then just simply restart your computer and your issue should be fixed. So that's all, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.